In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account here on Terabox. Terabox is a cloud storage service that gives you free storage space where you can save photos, videos, and files online. Let's begin. Now, all I have to do is super simple. If you go to the official website, which is terabox.com, you would notice that it's free to download on Google Play. All I have to do is click the Google Play Store. Terabox works on both Android, iOS, and PC devices. Now, click the install button. It may take a little while, so at this point, you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection like a Wi-Fi or a fast mobile data. And you want to make sure that you are not connected to a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the downloading times. All I have to do now at this point is click the open button. Click the agree to terms and conditions, and you would notice you have several sign-up options available. You can use your Google account. You can use your Facebook. If you click the arrow here, you can also sign up using your email address or your mobile number. It's up to you. For example, I am going to continue using my Google account. You will be forwarded to this welcome page, and all I have to do is super simple, click the complete button. Okay, it would ask for a storage permission, and all I have to do at this point is click the allow button, allow access to manage all files. And that's it. Now you have successfully created your Terabox account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.